Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change your age on TikTok Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, the first thing that you need to do is to open the TikTok app on your device. And once you're already in, just head onto your profile. So there is a profile icon here onto the bottom part, click onto it, and you'll get redirected here onto this kind of screen. Right after, click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then right after, under Account, we have the Accounts tab. Click onto that. Right after, we have User Information. Click onto that one, and then there you should be able to find an option to change your date of birth. So this will go ahead and change your age as well on TikTok. Simply click onto that. Right after, click onto birth date again, and then choose in your birthday. So you could go ahead and just scroll this one out, and once you have already updated it with the right birth date, just simply click on save. Right after, it will ask you to confirm your real age, just confirm it. And that is just how you could go ahead and easily change your age on TikTok. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.